And my favorite teacher, Keshav sir, he's a jewel. And whenever we feel down, he never gave up on us. Rather, motivated us to do that we think that he has always seen progress in ourselves, and that we can always achieve anything we want to achieve.
Hello everyone, I am Shubhrajyoti Malik, a class 12 student from Pathfinder. I am not here to give any speech regarding 5th September, but I am here to convey my thanks to all the faculty members and other teachers of this society who have not only made us teach different stuffs like physics, chemistry and maths, but also helps in making us a good human being in future. So that future will only tell that whether we can be successful or not, but I think the efforts made by them is worth it. So happy Teachers Day to all.
I am Shapnil De, a student of class 12 in Pathfinder Institute. As the saying goes, experience is the best teacher and the teachers are the best textbooks. And when it comes to the teachers of Pathfinder, they are just excellent. I am very lucky to get a chance to be taught by these teachers. If I am asked to choose a favorite teacher among them, then it's a very tough decision since all the teachers are best in their own subjects. I am here since class 11. As per my experience, the teachers are always there for the students, from making us understand the concepts to be with us in tough situations. That's all, and thank you.
Hi, I am Aisha Khatun. I am a student of Pathfinder. I am a NEET aspirant. Teachers. An awesome teacher is hard to find, difficult to part with, and is really impossible to forget. A very happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers. Though all my teachers are favorite, but especially Aniket sir and Tulika ma'am, they are my most favorite. Their way of teaching style makes me feel very much confident. The full form of teachers are talented, enthusiastic, amazing, calm, happiness, effective and rocking. God cannot be everywhere, so He created teachers who can show us the right path in our life.
Hello, this is Shanshwati Sengupta, a student of class 11 Pathfinder. As Albert Einstein has rightly said, education is not the learning of facts, but the training of young minds to think. Teachers just don't teach us, they inspire us, they ignite our imagination, and they pave our way to success. Well, to all my teachers, first of all, a very happy Teachers Day. I've been asked to speak about my favorite teacher. Honestly, I can't be biased. Here, all the teachers are absolutely fantastic, and I can't be more grateful. To tell the truth, for 12 years, I've been studying at a different school. So, when I had to come here in Pathfinder, obviously I was very nervous. But here in a few months, this is what I've seen, that here the teachers are like families. They have made us feel at home in such a short time. And they love us, they care for us, and of course I can't say anything about their teaching style, that is amazing. But the way they have made us feel at home, that is really appreciable. So thank you. Thanking the teachers can never be enough, because words fall short to describe what our teachers mean to us. So I can't really thank them enough. But anyways, a very happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you, that's it.
নমস্কার, আমি পিয়াসা মণ্ডল, পাথফাইন্ডার এডুকেশনাল সেন্টারে ক্লাস 11 এর ছাত্রী। এখানে সমস্ত শিক্ষক এবং অন্যান্য শিক্ষাকর্মীবৃন্দদের আমার আন্তরিক প্রণাম এবং শিক্ষক দিবসের শুভেচ্ছা জানাই। যেমন আমরা জানি, গুরু ব্রহ্মা, গুরু বিষ্ণু, গুরুদেব মহেশ্বর, গুরু সাক্ষাৎ পরম ব্রহ্ম, তস্মৈ শ্রী গুরবে নমঃ। অর্থাৎ গুরুকে ব্রহ্মা, বিষ্ণু, মহেশ্বরের সাথে তুলনা করা হয়। যেমনভাবে ব্রহ্মা, বিষ্ণু, মহেশ্বর আমাদের এই জগৎ সৃষ্টি করেছেন এবং সমানভাবে রক্ষা করে চলেছেন, ঠিক তেমনভাবে আমাদের দেশের এবং দেশের শিক্ষকেরা আমাদের ছাত্রছাত্রীদের যে ফিউচার বা ছাত্রছাত্রীদের ভবিষ্যৎ, সেটাকে গড়ে তুলতে অন্যতম প্রধান ভূমিকা রাখে। ক্লাস 8 থেকে পাথফাইন্ডার এডুকেশনাল সেন্টারের সাথে পর্যবেক্ষণ করি। তখন থেকে বিভিন্ন প্রচুর শিক্ষকদের সাথে দেখা বা সাক্ষাৎ করার সুযোগ করেছে জীবনে। তবে তাদের মধ্যে যদি আমরা পছন্দের শিক্ষক বেছে নিতে বলা হয়, তবে আমি বলবো ক্লাস 11-এ জেকে স্যার। আমাদের ম্যাথমেটিক্সের স্যার। উনি আমাদের ম্যাথমেটিক্সটা এত মজাদার ওয়েতে এত ভালোভাবে আমাদের যে পড়ান, বা বলতে গেলে ম্যাথমেটিক্সের ফিল্ডটা আমরা ওনার কাছ থেকে পাই, এবং উনি ম্যাথমেটিক্সটাকে আমাদের কাছে একটা ভীষণ ইন্টারেস্টিং এবং বর্তমানে আমার কাছে ফেভারিট সাবজেক্ট করে তুলেছে। ঠিক যেমনভাবে একজন মৃৎশিল্পী একটা মাটিকে সযত্নে এবং প্রচুর সময় নিয়ে ধৈর্য ধরে পূর্ণাবয়ব দিতে সহায়তা করেন, ঠিক তেমনই আমাদের জীবনের শিক্ষকেরা আমাদের জীবনে আমাদের সর্বোচ্চ লক্ষ্যে পৌঁছাতে আমাদের সাহায্য করেন। আবারও সকলকে শ্রদ্ধা জানিয়ে আমার বক্তব্য শেষ করি। ধন্যবাদ।
A very good afternoon to one and all. Myself Usha Shikundu, a student of class 11 Pathfinder TAT batch. Today have got a golden opportunity to say a speech or to thank our wonderful teachers present here in our Pathfinder faculties. And it's now at the time here we can understand that being a teacher is not really very easy. We know that teaching profession requires a lot of patience and hard work, but today here when we are getting the regular classes from all teachers, we understand that it's not really the course of hard work or patience, but also it requires a lot of endurance and knowledge. And we know sometimes we do not understand many easy topics, and we wonder how our teachers have a great patience in understanding those topics to our repeatedly without getting a little bit angry. Yes, I know they become sometimes angry, but in the next moment only they become happy, and then again starts praising us on our success. They have great roles in our life, not only sharing knowledge of their own, but also they also gives us lesson which we interplay in our own lives also. And not only this, in our this daily preparations that we are doing, like for me, I should say that I am a NEET aspirant, and in our lives, in our aspirants' lives, the teachers really play a very important role. And I should say that it's not really very easy work to be a teacher, and we are very grateful to get teachers like Pathfinder is providing us. Like I should mention some teachers' name also, like Shaha sir, our chemistry faculty, our physics faculty, Ashim sir. They are really awesome faculties who teach us on great depths, and we really enjoy their teachings. And we also learn great from in those topics that they used to teach us. And I would like to end my speech by saying that by thanking our great teachers, and that's all. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. I am Shohana Yasmin from Pathfinder class 11. Today I got the opportunity to speak on this day about my teachers. On Teachers Day, I would like to thank first of all my teachers, but moreover I would like to express my feelings that how I got to know that how a teacher should be coming to Pathfinder. Here in Pathfinder I met some of my most valued teachers in my life. Like I got to know that how a teacher should be. Some of the teachers I would not mention the names, but I cannot resist myself from mentioning the name. He's Prem sir. I got to see that how a teacher should be from him. He is like always respecting the students. At the same time, we have seen that how is it possible to give such respect to the students itself, and so from our bottom of the hearts we also respect him from our deepest corner, that he is so much valuable for us. His teachings, his way of teaching style, as well as everything is so great. And also our Shaha sir, our chemistry, our physics teacher like Ashim sir, everybody here scolds us, they teach us, they inspire us to be someone in our lives. And also I would say that from them I get to know that what we should do, and sometimes we get confused that how should we move further, but they then just stop us and they get us to reflect on our lives, that how we should think of the problems and everything, not only the problems and the exam related matters, but they inspire us on our lives also. Like Aniket sir, sometimes he stops in the class and he makes us to relate ourselves, like what situations we are going through, and he speaks to all the students individually, solving their problems and everything. And all the faculties and teaching and non-teaching staffs of Pathfinder are so important to me, like our Kaushik sir, who makes us who gives us a motherly care. Yes, I feel it, and I want to say him. I wanted to wish him Happy Mother's Day also, and on Teachers' Day, I would thank all my teachers. So, nothing more to say. Thank you, Pathfinder. Thank you, all my teachers.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Deva Parabrahma, Tasmai Sriti Guru Vainam. শিক্ষক দিবসের প্রাক্কালে আজকে আমার একটি সুবর্ণ সুযোগ হয়েছে আপনাদের সামনে আমার এবং এই পাথফাইন্ডারের সাথে জড়িত থাকার সুবাদে শিক্ষক দিবসকে তুলে ধরার জন্য। প্রাচীনকাল থেকেই গুরু এবং শিক্ষক আমাদের জীবনে একটি অন্যতম ভূমিকা পালন করে ওঠে এবং তৎপর আমার জীবনেও তার অন্যথা নয়। পাথফাইন্ডারের সাথে বহুদিন যাবৎ পড়াশোনা শুরু হওয়ার জন্য আমারও বিভিন্ন গুরুর সাথে আলাপ হয়েছে এবং তাদের থেকে নানান প্রক্রিয়া নানানভাবে নতুন নতুন জিনিস শিখতে পেরেছি এবং নতুন করে প্রত্যেকটি বিষয়কে আরও অধ্যয়ন করতে পেরেছি। যদি বলা যায় যে গুরুর ভূমিকা আমাদের জীবনে কি, তা বলে কখনোই শেষ করা যাবে না। গুরুরা শুধুমাত্র আমাদেরকে কোনো নির্দিষ্ট বিষয় শেখানো শেখায় না, তারা আমাদেরকে জীবনে পথ চলা, নতুন জিনিসকে নিজের করে নেওয়া এবং আমাদের মধ্যে যা যা ত্রুটি আছে সেগুলোকে বিসর্জন দিয়ে ভালো মানুষ হয়ে ওঠার শিক্ষা দেয়। তো তেমনই আমাদের ক্লাস 11-এর মেডিকেল ক্যাট ব্যাচে আমার অন্যতম প্রিয় শিক্ষক আমাদের কেমিস্ট্রি ফ্যাকাল্টি শুভজিৎ সাহা স্যার, তার থেকে আমরা শিখেছি কীভাবে মাথা ঠান্ডা রেখে প্রত্যেকটি প্রশ্নের উত্তর দিতে হয় এবং শুধুমাত্র সেটি নয়, জীবনের কোনো পতনে কীভাবে আবার ঘুরে দাঁড়ানো যায় এবং আরও ভালোভাবে জীবনটাকে এগিয়ে যাওয়া যায় এবং পড়াশোনাগুলোকে আরও ভালো করা যায় সে সমস্তগুলো শিখেছি। আমাদের জিওলজি ফ্যাকাল্টি প্রেম স্যার, তার থেকে শিখেছি যে প্রত্যেকটি কোনো প্রশ্নই ছোট না, কোনো প্রশ্নই ক্ষুদ্র না, প্রত্যেকটি প্রশ্নের একটি নির্দিষ্ট মাধুর্যতা আছে, নির্দিষ্ট ভূমিকা আছে। কোনো জিনিসকে ছোট করে না দেখে সকল ছাত্র এবং সকলকে সম্মান করে কীভাবে আরও ভালো হয়ে ওঠা যায় সেটাই প্রেম স্যারের থেকে শিখেছি। অর্থাৎ আমাদের চারপাশের সমস্ত গুরু থেকে এই সবার আগে সুনির্মল সবার আগে ছাত্রী কবিতা অবলম্বনে সত্যি গুরুর অন্ত নেই। আমার অতীত আমার গুরু, আমার ভবিষ্যৎ আমার গুরু, আমার এই পথ চলাটা আমার গুরু। আমরা নিজেই নিজের থেকে আরও বেশি করে শিখতে পারছি। তাই শিক্ষক দিবসে আমার পাথফাইন্ডারের সকল গুরুদেরকে এবং আমার অতীতের অন্যান্য গুরুদেরকে আমার প্রণাম জানিয়ে আমি আমার বক্তব্য শেষ করছি।
Hello, I'm Anisha from class 11 into batch. Firstly, I would like to pay my heartfelt gratitude to all of my teachers of our institute and wish them a very happy Teachers' Day. A teacher is like a candle to me who enlighten us with the enrichment of studies and the paths of life, and also to walk through the waves of life to what we would do in life and what to not. Not only in the syllabus of our studies, but also the wisdom, courage, and the way how to be a perfect human being. In this institute, one of my favorite teachers, and also I can consider him as my favorite teacher and as an elder brother, is my maths teacher, Paulul Mujumdar sir, who helped me not only to enrich the subject maths mechanically, but also to learn the subject technically and enrich the skills and concepts in maths. For example, I would like to share an instance with you all. Like when it was my class 10 board exams, I was in a terrible condition because I was very tensed what to do and what will come and everything. And I was messed up and I was thinking that I will screw up the examination wholly. So I called up Shudipto sir and requested him that I want the class and I would like to clear my doubts. So he kept my request and I came at 11 o'clock in the morning and went home at 9 p.m. just the day before of my maths exam. And Paulul sir was seated in front of me without being any tired or vexation in helping me with every problem which is important and every concept I was facing a doubt. And not only that, he was constantly encouraging me that in Bengali, tui parbi, tension hosh na. So this was something very encouraging for me.
and also taught me many ways to help myself to be a better version of myself as an elder brother. So I would not consider him as my only teacher but also as my elder brother. I am very thankful to our STEAM Institute to provide us with every classes, and not only Carlos, every teacher of our institute is very friendly, and also our batch coordinators. For example, present coordinator Piju sir and Isha ma'am, everyone is very helpful to us. So I would say everyone a very happy Teachers Day. And as a Bengali, I would like to say everyone, Amar pronam neben sir and ma'am.
Hi everyone, I am Aksha Sheikh from class 11 of Pathfinder. Today I am gonna say a few words on the special occasion of Teachers Day. Today, first of all, I am gonna thank all the teachers around Pathfinder as well as around the world. Here, for me, a teacher is like a gardener who takes care of young plant. Just like gardener waters and nurtures young plant, our teachers nurtures us, our minds, our souls, our hearts. For me, our teachers are nothing less than a superhero. They might not wear capes, but they do amazing things. They don't only teach us how to read, write or count, rather they teach us how to be a good human being upon all the professions that exist in the world. Today, I'm gonna give special tribute to two of my favorite teachers, that are Shahib sir of Maths department and Keshav sir of Physics department. They are like my elder brothers. They are my companion. They are my guide. They are my friend, philosopher and partner in every journey, or rather I should say that they are the prime and major supporters in this academic years or this academic journey of mine. My fear of maths was helped by Shahib sir a lot. Like, he helped me a lot to get out of it. And physics, Keshav sir, he is mind-blowing. He is awesome. He is wonderful. I don't think so I have got any other teachers better in particularly in the subject of maths and physics than Shahib sir and Keshav sir. Shahib sir and Keshav sir, for you, a really happy Teachers Day, and thank you for being there with me as well as all my fellow students that are here. Everybody loves you and everybody wants you to be there and stay there for our entire career. And just like you both motivate us and encourage us throughout these days, you both are with us when we are low, when we don't feel like we are anything. You both are the ones who make us feel like we are diamonds, we are nothing useless, we are also precious, and we can also do things that no one can else do. We can only do it and no one else. So I really want to thank you both, because if you both wouldn't have been there, then might be that I wouldn't have been standing where I am today. Like, I might have not achieved something big in life, but I cannot just ignore the importance of you both. You both are really the precious gems of my life. Like, even if standing at like this age of mine, I might have had many teachers all through my life, but trust me, you both have been the best, and no one can replace what you guys have done to me and what you guys holds a place in my heart and my journey and my soul and my career. So a very thank you to you both and a very happy Teachers Day. We all the students love you so much, love you both so much that we don't want anyone else. Thanking you, yours, student